ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Meghalaya Klapha ya ka jing Tyrwa ya ka sukar India ban Pynbha ban pen internet ya ki Jaka mani jong ki kenhun yam ba pher kan ki jela Meghalaya hapok skim prasat bat Swadesh Darshan 20 UMA ka BJP ba elhek o yathu balayo ban yakran bat kinongiram ke BJP na ka sen kemi ki bala betha ban jet ki Jaka mani ha Meghalaya ki ban sa Pynbha ban pen internet kumsi benta ban kenti ru ya ka kam chingok ka oleh itu bahwa ya selok ru ya kinong ke BJP Meghalaya Kynthup presiden Urikman Momin bat kinong trai party kibalabu jing Tyrwa ke Kynthup ya jing Pynbha ya ka madan waking jong ke sengkasi kmi ke baju pelong ya ka syat suk mensim nang ta ka ejnar hajawai jong ke sinraj ke baju pelong ya ka syat bedeng klam o bahek la pha ru ya ke jing Tyrwa ban Pynbha ya ke Jaka meni ka balang presbyterian hanong sauli ya sora ka bedai ke barim tam ha north east bat kumju ka Jaka mani jong ka balang Katolik bakin sajit ha keno ke Jaka ke baki idai ha ka juga por ya thu ba ya kerendu ya orang bak sinong ke mau sunram na ka benta ban pha ka jing Tyrwa sya ka soka pedeng ban Pynbha itnat ya Mawjymbuin ula pensyai ba kani ka skim kam dei jong ke BJP bat keno ke project on sa IT pat sya sinong ni ka kenhun ba pe ya kata ula kentu ya kinong niam bakin pha ya ki jing Tyrwa jong ki khnang ba ka party kan ikran ba ka sokal India hal kani ka prasat lani ka pilgrimage rejuvenation and spiritual augmentation drive kadai ka scheme ka bawan ra ka sokal pedeng ban Pynbha internet ya ki Jaka mani kat ba ka Swadesh Darshan 20 ka thmu ban kentiu ya ka kam chingok kai ka bayai ne ka bayadai ba ki Jaka mani ha keleng kari
Had a discussion with some central leader of the BJP. He have told me there is some scheme which is they can develop the religious site like the Swadesh Darshan. Today this is known as the Prasad scheme. So I have discussed with my party Karyakata and our state leader, like the president in the morning, and also with all the BJP leaders in the Meghalaya. We said that we want to develop that the Senkami, one of the religious site which is very, very need of the hour to develop that site, and also the Bedeng Club at Jaintia Hills. It is for the benefits of that Niam tree for Jaintia Hills, for benefits of the Jaintia people of the Jaintia district. And also I have also proposed this to my central leader regarding the first Christian church in Meghalaya, maybe in the northeast, is the Presbyterian Church at Nong Saulia, Sora. So we want also to do the beautifications and development of that kind of, from that Swadesh Darshan scheme or the Prasad scheme. And also the Catholic Church, they have so many places. So whatever it is the best for the church, where which one we want to develop for the pilgrimage, and also for the religious site. It will not only for religious site, it will be attract the tourists coming from all over the country and also from the outside the country. And also I have already discussed with the headman of Mawjymbuin area, he is a assistant headman. Also I told him also if we can develop the Mawjymbuin, the popularly known as the Shivling Cave at Mawjymbuin. That also is, I told them that he said that he have to sit with all the headman committee, the executive committee of the Barshnong, before we take it of the scheme. But I told him very clearly to him that is not BJP scheme, that is not the government scheme, purely belong to the Shnong scheme only. Only yesterday we have discussed with the central leader. He told me to give some suggestion on these few important places on the religious side, to develop religious side, both for the Darshan, Swadesh Darshan, and also for the development of the pilgrimage site. Any proposal, but this is only discussion we had yesterday to send this proposal to the government of India.
I mean, behind this organization, the Presbyterian Church or the Second Committee,
we have to no. Last time when I went for the Viking dance at Shard Viking there, we have discussed about this. They want also to develop that ground. So that ground, I know what kind of development they want. But that's why I have brought it to this topic, topic today, that at least they'll come to their knowledge also. If they are also interested, we can sit down, send a proposal, a properly official proposal to the government of India for this development of these sites.
Approximately how much fund?
No, that I cannot
will
say
be
you anything
required
right now.
for
Now
this,
it is just discussing only to send the suggestion for this kind of scheme for the development of the state of Meghalaya.
Bahek, can we say that such proposals from the state party will also help, address that issue of anti-Christians against the BJP?
But the thing is, this is not directly from the party. We'll ask their proposal. We will send this proposal, their proposal, to the government of India. We will help them to assist them to send this proposal to the government of India.
Whether this proposal
He told me to give the suggestion. So now we will just first send the suggestion to the government of the central government, and we'll ask them. He has to go through the state government, or directly it can be sanctioned from the central government.
And sir, regarding the delimitation bill passed in the parliament regarding this over MP seats, how many seats